Gosh darn it! Understanding a common English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used phrase in English. Gosh darn it! This phrase is often heard in movies, TV shows, and in everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your own conversations. Gosh darn it is a mild expression used to convey frustration or disappointment. It's a euphemistic form, meaning it's a polite way of saying something that could be considered offensive or rude. Originally, this phrase was used as a softer alternative to "God damn it," which is considered blasphemous or offensive in many cultures. Over time, gosh darn it has become a common, non-offensive way to express mild annoyance. You can use gosh darn it in situations where you might feel a slight irritation or disappointment. For example, 1. When you make a small mistake. Gosh darn it, I forgot to bring my umbrella. 2. When something doesn't go as planned. Gosh darn it, the picnic is ruined because of the rain. 3. Expressing sympathy. Gosh darn it, I'm so sorry to hear your bike was stolen. Remember, it's a light-hearted, non-serious expression, so it's best used in informal settings among friends or family. While gosh darn it is considered non-offensive, it's important to understand the cultural context. In some communities, even mild euphemisms can be frowned upon. It's always a good idea to be aware of the sensitivities of those around you, especially when learning and using new phrases in a new language. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, gosh darn it, and how you can use it in everyday English. It's a fun and friendly way to express mild frustration without being rude or offensive. Happy learning! And remember, every new phrase you learn is a step closer to fluency in English.